Okay, today I wanted to show you how to test if your SWR meter is functioning correctly. This won't prove accuracy or if the meter is blown completely, but it will check for the balance of the meter. For testing purposes, we have a standard CB radio connected up to a small mobile antenna, which I've purposely detuned for this exercise. Okay, in normal instances, if I show you on the back of the meter, we have a antenna and a transmitter socket, or ANT and TX as marked here. TX lead goes to the back of the radio, and the antenna lead normally goes off to the antenna. Fairly straightforward. Okay, we're back at the meter. The switch settings on this one are power, cal and SWR. On a standard SWR meter you would probably have forward and reflect, or FWD and REF, or something similar. Ignore the other switches, they're for other functions and don't want to complicate matters. So in normal instances we would put the switch to the cal or forward position, key the microphone, and the meter goes across. We would then turn the cal or calibrate control till we come all the way across to full scale. As you can see on this meter it says cal, some meters may say set or something similar, but you're looking for full scale. Once we've done that, we would, as I say, normally go to the SWR position on the switch, or REF, reflect, whatever your meter would say. We would then key the mic and read off the reflected energy on the SWR band on the meter, which in this case is 2.25, 2.25 on this particular meter. So we'd assume that to be correct. Now, if there's any doubt, you may have dropped your meter, blown one of the diodes, you're getting funny readings. To prove that the balance line is balanced inside the meter, this is what we do. As before, I said we have the TX connected to the radio, or the transmitting source, and the antenna or ANT connected to the aerial. So we remove the antenna, we remove the TX, and what we do is swap them over. So the radio or the transmitter is now connected to the antenna socket, and the antenna is now connected to the TX or transmitter socket. So we reverse the leads in effect. So what we've done, we've reversed the antenna and transmitter plugs on the back of the meter. So what we do is reverse the switch. So we put the switch to the SWR or reflect position first of all. We then key the mic, so we've got cal, full scale or set, depending on your meter. Whereas before we had it on the cal or forward position to get this reading, we've now put it on the SWR or reflect position. Okay, so now what we do is go to cal or forward. As I said, a reversal of what we did before. We then key the mic, and again we have 2.25, 2.25 SWR. So we can safely say this meter is nicely balanced, no blown diodes or resistors, and all present and correct. Hope you found that helpful. It's by no means the way of checking the meter is calibrated, or if the actual meter is burnt out itself, but it does tell you if you've got an equally or balanced working meter. Any comments welcome, and maybe we'll put a few more videos on here later on some other test gear and some other procedures. Take care, 73s.